During the third day of the session of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council that was held on 10th November, the Chief Executive Member of the Council, TITOS CHYNE, had tabled the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Regulation and Administration of Land Bill 2021 before the House for its consideration and decision on modifications made to the bill as per advice of the Select Committee chaired by the CEM of the Council. The bill that was proposed by the Council's opposition on modifications had been examined by the Select Committee since February this year, also seeks to regulate and administer allotment, occupation or use and/or the setting apart of land in the Khasi Hills Autonomous District other than any land which is reserved forest for the purpose of agriculture, residential and other purposes for the promotion of the interest of the inhabitants of the district. The bill that was approved by the House would be sent to the District Council Affairs Department and later to the Governor of the state for his assent to its enactment. The chairman of the Select Committee, TITOS CHYNE, who had moved the motion on the KHASI Regulation and Administration of Land Bill 2021, also presented a report on the modifications made to it. After the amendment of the bill was approved by the House, the Chief Executive Member of the KHASI, TITOS CHYNE, initiated a discussion on the same before the Council in session.
Clause 35 with Appendix 1, Appendix 1A, and 2 Annex thereto of the bill to stand part of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Village and Town Development Council 2021.
Dan juga ni ke village and town development council bill. Ijon juga ni juga di bawah minister. Kejimbut dengan government, but place one kerja kita sah move for asing.
Dia di perbel, bah kalau dia bagi kat tu kami di Jakarta, bah hak kok di di Siem Rai, Lendok Rai, Pasang, Saudara Rai, Pasang, tiba ini di Jakarta, di representative di Masjid Amat Ikut. Di negara Amerika sekarang di Rai, dan di customary practice tiba kerajaan, di negara di Rabu Amerika. Clause 1 to clause 5 akan terjadi kepada chief and his daughter dan sa nila insert di bawah but ada